Hi everyone, welcome back. Are your iPhone calls full of background noise? Don't worry. Here are two quick fixes to make your voice clear and clean. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on voice isolation during calls. Open the phone app and start a call. While you're on the call, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now tap on mic mode. Select voice isolation. This will reduce background noise and make your voice sound much clearer to the other person. Step 2. Enable phone noise cancellation. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Audio/Visual. Now turn on the option for phone noise cancellation. This helps block extra noise during calls and improves overall call quality. And that's it. Now your iPhone calls will sound much clearer and less noisy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.